Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable coupon code in checkout and cart page using WooCommerce setting in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and now you see coupon code. Go to cart page. Also you see apply coupon code. So we are going to disable it using WooCommerce setting. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. Now general setting open and scroll down you see enable coupon. Now you see enable the use of coupon code, so disable this option and scroll down, click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to checkout page and refresh the page. Also go to cart page and refresh the page. Now back to checkout page. Now you see coupon code hide. Now go to cart page. Also you see coupon code form hide by disable option in WooCommerce setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.